Chemaddicts again to the solution. Welcome back to another video tutorial. Well fellas, now we're gonna solve question number 3 of this question paper. So if you have missed the previous solution of this question paper that we are doing, don't worry, I'll put the link to those solution at the end of this video tutorial. Okay, so until then stay tuned. Okay, so we are solving the Edexcel GCE question paper of chemistry unit 4 May 2016. Okay, GCE question paper. This is GCE question paper, so don't get confused. So this is GCE question paper of chemistry unit 4 May 2016. So now let's get back to the solution. So at first let us read this question. Which of the following types of radiation can directly result in bond breaking? Okay, so here the main thing is types of radiation which results in bond breaking. So here they have asked that which type of radiation can break bond, as simple as that. So to know that, we need to recall the reaction of chlorine with alkane. If we have remember earlier that the reaction between chlorine with alkane requires radiation. If you have remember, so if we remember the free radical substitution reaction of alkene, sorry, not alkane, alkene, there we use, sorry, not alkene, alkane, the reaction between alkane and chlorine. So before we have came across the reaction between alkane. Okay, let me write this down here. The reaction between alkane and chlorine. So here we need a radiation, UV radiation. There in the initiation step, if you have remembered, in the initiation step we required chlorine to break down into free radicals, chlorine free radicals. Okay, chlorine free radicals. So in order to break this bond we required UV radiation. So here we need to give UV radiation in order to break this bond homolytically. Okay, in order to break this bond homolytically, okay, this goes here and this goes there, so we need UV radiation. So here the condition was we need to have UV radiation in order to initiate the reaction. In order to initiate this reaction, we require ultraviolet radiation, UV radiation. Okay, so here it is. Okay, so here it is. Here we required UV radiation in order to break this bond. Here UV radiation is breaking the bond over here to form two free chlorine radicals, two free chlorine radicals. Okay, Cl radicals. So here the chlorine is being radical here two free chlorine radicals are formed, okay, by the breaking of bond with the help of ultraviolet radiation. So if we remember the free radical substitution reaction of alkane, okay, this is the free radical substitution reaction of alkane. Okay, so there chlorine bond breaks homolytically by UV radiation. So here we can see that the chlorine bond breaks homolytically with the help of UV radiation. Since this UV radiation makes this bond break, so we can say that UV radiation actually can break bonds directly. Okay, so that is why the answer should be D. Okay, so that is why the correct answer is D. So fellas, I hope that you have understood why the answer should be ultraviolet radiation. Okay, so if we recall the reaction between alkane with chlorine, here we requires ultraviolet radiation. Okay, so from that we can say that ultraviolet radiation can actually break bonds directly, can break bonds directly. Okay, so fellas, that's the solution to this question. It was pretty straightforward. So fellas, I hope that you have understood. By this meantime you have understood the why the answer should be ultraviolet radiation. Okay, we just need to recall the reaction between alkane and chlorine, which is free radical substitution reaction. Okay, there we used ultraviolet radiation as condition. There, in there, the condition was ultraviolet radiation, as simple as that. So fellas, I hope that you have understood this question as well as the solution. So fellas, if you have any question regarding this solution, please let me know in the comment section. I'm always there to help you out, fellas. uh, if you have any question or confusion, please let me know in the comment section. So give give me your feedback. How was this solution? So please leave a like or dislike as your wish for feedback for this solution. And I always appreciate your feedback. Okay, so leave a comment or like or dislike this video. I will always appreciate your feedback, whether it is uh, like or dislike, and I will always appreciate your opinion about this solution. I'll be waiting for your feedback of this solution, and I'll see you in the next solution. Okay, so fellas, that's it for today. Stay cool, stay awesome. Best of luck for your exam, and as always, peace with chemistry.